Electric cars can seem pricey up front, but look closer. Electricity is much cheaper than petrol, especially if you charge at home. Over a year, fuel savings add up fast. Maintenance is simpler and cheaper. No oil changes, fewer moving parts. Tax breaks and incentives can cut costs even more. Lower running costs mean the higher purchase price pays off over time. You might even save thousands over the car's life. For many, electric is the smarter financial choice. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about saving money. The numbers speak for themselves. It's not all smooth sailing. Electric cars have challenges. Range anxiety is real, especially on long trips. Charging networks are growing, but not as widespread as petrol stations yet. Charging takes longer than filling up with petrol, so planning is key. Upfront costs are still high, though dropping fast. Battery life worries some, but modern batteries last years and come with long warranties. A second-hand market is emerging, making electric cars more accessible. Recycling and reusing old batteries is improving. The good news? Technology and infrastructure are advancing rapidly. The bumps are getting smaller every year.